Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Andrea Kausing from Manila, Philippines. I am 47 years old and have 4 children, and I'm a high school graduate. I worked from 2014 to 2016 in Saudi Arabia as a housemaid, house cleaner, laundress, and babysitter for 2 children. And from 2017 and 2024, I also work in Hong Kong as a helper, cleaning, cooking, babysitter for 9 years old, 5 years old, and 8 months old for 7 years and 10 months. I also do send and pick up to their school. I hope, Mom and Sir, that you choose me as your helper. I'm kind, loyal, honest, hardworking, child-loving, and very active person. I'm so glad if you are one of my employer. I hope that someday I will be part of your helper. Thank you and God bless, sir and ma'am.